Good afternoon. I'm Eric Christensen, a marine meteorologist at the National Hurricane Center. This is the marine forecast for the Gulf of Mexico, prepared Thursday, February 9th, 2023, and valid through Sunday, February 12th, 2023. The latest weather analysis for the Gulf of Mexico shows a cold front reaching from near New Orleans, Louisiana, to the southwest Gulf near Poza Rica, Mexico. In the far upper left corner of the map, you can see low pressure moving into the Texas Panhandle. This is bringing a strong reinforcing cold front through the southern plains, and that will be the main weather feature in the Gulf over the next 2 to 3 days. The current satellite image shows a very active pattern over the north central Gulf. Numerous thunderstorms are evident along the frontal boundary just south of the mouth of the Mississippi River. A few showers and thunderstorms are also noted ahead of the frontal boundary, south of Pensacola and west of Tampa Bay, but this activity is diminishing. This is the situation currently with fresh northerly winds following the front over the western Gulf of Mexico. Moderate seas are evident in most areas, although seas are becoming rough behind the front over the western Gulf off Tampico, Mexico. Farther east, seas may be approaching 8 feet over the Straits of Florida, where the fresh easterly winds are flowing against the eastward moving Florida current. By Friday morning, the first front will start to stall and dissipate from the Florida Panhandle to the southwest Gulf of Mexico off Veracruz. The second, stronger front will be moving off the Texas coast and entering the far northwest Gulf. Strong winds out of the northwest and rapidly building seas will follow the second front over the Texas coastal waters. Rough seas are still a factor over the Straits of Florida, but slight to moderate seas are noted elsewhere. Low pressure develops over the northern Gulf along the reinforcing front Friday into Saturday. Strong northerly winds and rough seas follow the front across the western Gulf, reaching gale force with very rough seas off Veracruz and the far southwest Gulf. Winds may reach minimal gale force over the northeast Gulf near the low pressure area by late Saturday. The front will have moved southeast of the basin by early Sunday. High pressure will build behind the front over the Texas coastal plains. This pattern will allow winds and seas to diminish across the western Gulf by early Sunday west of 90 west. Fresh to strong winds and rough to very rough seas will persist east of 90 west, mainly over the northeast Gulf. Looking ahead, winds and seas will diminish across the entire Gulf through Sunday night as the high pressure shifts eastward. This has been the marine forecast for the Gulf of Mexico. The next video update will be available by 5 p.m. Sunday, February 12th, 2023. In the meantime, you can find the latest marine information on our website at hurricanes.gov/marine.